I'm here with Sophia in Freiburg, and she just flew from Bremgarten to Freiburg with the Bristell. Hi, my name is Sophia. I come all the way from Aruba, a small island with beautiful beaches.
She's ready.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Am I ready too? No, I don't think so.
Experience.
More than amazing. That was, I don't know, spectacular. Vincent and Sophia flew the whole way here. She really enjoyed it. Now we're gonna drink something and
With the instructor. If possible.
Just only takeoff and landing, no more.
It's dinner for you guys.
yes, kind of, yeah, Arubian dinner.
Arubian dinner.
A little bit of sport after the ice cream. Yes.
Hope you had fun.
Oh, I had more than fun. Thanks. Hi guys, new day, sunny today, and we're gonna fly on a glacier, land there with Sophia, and hope we come back before the bad weather starts again. Doing my pre-flight check. I love a climb. hover check, 75%, all is in the green. Ready for takeoff, I do my radio call. Schindlegi, Helicopter Uniform Romeo, taking off via Foto and departing via Echo. Pulling in some torque. No train coming. So the weather looks much better than yesterday, but I already see clouds building up over the mountains. This route yesterday, I'm sure Sophia can tell us what lake this is. Which lake this is. This is Zurich lake. So it's lucky dollars. This is so pretty. They have a campground down there by the lake. Helicopter Zulu Uniform Romeo passing west of Glacier at 7,000 feet, heading south. So now we are flying straight towards Martinsloch. It's like a hole in this mountain range. And usually people come here with the old plane, Tante U, and do round trips here. And they also flew here on a hot summer day. They were heavy and they turned and it was too slow. They turned too slow and they stalled and the plane crashed and everybody died. This is very impressive because it goes down very steep. And down there is like a military area where you see all the roads, like the squares. Okay. Helicopter Zulu Uniform Romeo approaching from the east for a high reco on 8,700 feet. Romeo approaching from the west for landing for up 60 knots. 9,600 feet. Checking the wind again.
In mountain landing, your altimeter is a very important instrument as the terrain under the helicopter can change from 100 feet above ground to a couple of thousand feet above ground within seconds, and therefore could give you a kind of disorientation and an unwanted descent which could become critical.
Zulu Uniform Romeo picking up and departing direction Limberenfirm, direction west for up my left skid first and up. Okay, hover check 75, pull in a little bit more and we depart. Below us we have the Limmeren retention bassin and the other one is Mutze. It's the highest retention bassin in Europe. And we are now on 9,000 feet, so it's about the same level. And even up here we have a house. Muthütte, glaub. Oh, Limberenfirm.
So Cornelia is now doing a high reco. See if we can land on this glacier.
I'm not gonna land down by the stone, I want to land on top.
Now power. Just add power. And forward. Don't stay, don't stay. We need to fly. To fly, we need to fly, we need to fly. Oh, fly. Fly. We need to fly. It's flatter. Believe me.
More.
Yes, more. More. More.
And to the front.
Okay, now you turn. And then you go a little bit more on the side. Yes. Go a little bit more on the side. Now we need to go forward. Okay, go back on this side. A little bit higher, just to be sure. A little bit more. Turn to the right.
To the right.
To the right. Okay, just a little bit more forward. Go a little bit more forward.
Es fühlt sich nicht stabil an, Schätzeli.
Go forward a little bit. And then you can go down slowly. Slowly. Okay.
Wow. This is amazing.
We made it.
We made it.
Okay, let's go. Pick up.
All in the green.
And we go. Power. Just to be sure that if there's a draft taking us down, have enough power.
4 up, Helicopter Uniform Romeo, taking off, departing to the northwest, direction Clarita. Clarita Helicopter Zulu Uniform Romeo approaching from the northeast on 9,800 feet. Everything is in the green, throttle is full open and 100, rotor RPM 100, doors locked, seat belts fastened, anti-ice off, cabin heat off, air case off, picking up. 70. Okay.
Ga je een beetje vuren?
Collective full down.
Full down.
Können wir rüber, oder?
Great job.
Wow.
We landed on Clariden. It's like a little platform, stony platform, and now we're gonna walk over to the house, have a drink or maybe something to eat, and then we continue flying. Yeah.
70%. And everything in the green, that's fine. Raken laat show, hè, dan. Just pass, so till we arrive we can land, because we are not allowed to fly over the train when we land.
How come?
Just for safety reasons. So we have quite a bit of wind, I see, on my right side. The flag is showing me some wind. That's quite turbulent. Schindlerleki Helicopter Uniform Romeo final.
Perfect.
Okay, so we just finished helicopter flying. We went for a swim in the lake, and now comes the ultimate challenge. We're jumping into the river that goes through the city of Zurich. Hopefully we can get on land again. Let's go.
Hey, ready, go.
Scary to jump, but once you jump, proof that we are brave. We jumped into the Limmat River, and yeah, that's it for now. Bye guys. Bye. See you next time.